Hey there, welcome back to Grid Questions. If you're looking to level up your productivity and save time, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Windows keyboard shortcuts. Quick hacks that will have you working smarter, not harder. First things first, why should you care about keyboard shortcuts? Well, think about how much time we waste scrolling through menus or clicking around looking for options. With just a few key presses, you can get things done way faster, whether you're jumping between tasks, managing windows, or navigating files. It's like unlocking the cheat codes for your PC. Plus, they're super simple to learn, and once you get the hang of them, they'll become second nature. Let's start and work our way up to some pro-level hacks. Here's a game changer for multitasking. Hold down Alt and tap Tab to switch between your open programs super quickly. No more clicking around. Hold down Windows and tap D to minimize everything in a flash and go straight to your desktop. Hit it again and all your windows pop back up. It's like magic. Hold down the Windows key and tap E to open File Explorer instantly. No more searching for it. This one's a must for quick file access. Are you stepping away from your computer but don't want anyone snooping around? Hold down the Windows key and tap L to lock your PC instantly. Your work stays safe, and you don't have to wait for the screensaver to kick in. Ever found your PC acting up, apps freezing, or just slowing down? Want to solve it instantly? Today on Grid Questions, we'll explore the magic of Control-Shift-ESC. Press these keys together, and voila! The Task Manager opens instantly. From here, you can manage running apps, check performance, or even end those stubborn, unresponsive programs with a single click. Hold down the Alt key and tap F4 to close the current app. This is a super handy keyboard shortcut that can save you time and frustration when working on your computer. Pro tip: you can use it on the desktop to shut down your PC. This shortcut helps you manage and arrange your windows seamlessly across your screen, enhancing multitasking like a pro. Let me show you. Press Win left arrow. The current window snaps to the left side of your screen. Press Win right arrow. It snaps to the right side. Win up arrow maximizes the window. Win down arrow restores the window to its original size or minimizes it. So, if you're like me and often find yourself copying and pasting, you might sometimes wish you could go back and grab something you copied earlier. Well, I'm going to show you a super useful trick that will make your work or study life way easier. It's all about the Windows V shortcut. Just press the Windows key and the V key together, and voila! You'll open up your clipboard history. This feature lets you see everything you've copied recently. Now, here's the cool part. You can scroll through your clipboard history and choose the item you want to paste. Accidentally closed a browser tab while researching for work? No worries. Just press Ctrl-Shift-T to instantly reopen the last closed tab. Keep hitting it to recover multiple closed tabs. Boom, productivity saved. Do you need to zoom in on your screen? Simply keep your cursor in a place you want to magnify and hold down the Windows key and tap the plus key to zoom in. You can hold down the Windows key and tap the minus key to zoom back out. This is especially helpful when you need to read small text or focus on tiny details in an image or document. Do you need to take a quick screenshot or capture a specific part of your screen? Today, I'm going to show you how to use the powerful Windows shortcut, Windows-Shift-S, to take screenshots. It's super simple, and you're going to love it. Let's get into it. This shortcut activates the snipping tool in Windows, a built-in screen capture feature. Once you press this combination, your screen will dim, and a small menu will pop up at the top of the screen. Rectangular snip. Just click and drag your mouse to draw a rectangle around the part of the screen you want to capture. It's perfect for capturing specific sections of a web page or document. For freeform snip, hold your mouse button down and draw any shape around the area you need. This is great if you want to get creative and capture unique shapes. When you select this, just click on any open window and boom, it captures just that window. No more cropping out the rest of the screen. Full screen snip, just click and it grabs everything on your screen. If you're ever looking to add some fun and flair to your documents, messages, or social media posts, this shortcut will definitely make your life easier. Hold down the Windows key and tap the period key. It opens up an emoji panel on your screen. As you can see here, the emoji panel pops up, giving you access to a wide variety of emojis, including smiley faces, animals, food, symbols, and even some fun GIFs. It's a quick and easy way to add some personality to your messages without having to open a separate app or browser tab. Alright, that's a wrap on today's video. Which shortcut was your favorite? Or do you have a shortcut hack we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. And hey, if this video saved you even a second of your time, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Grid Questions, and turn on the bell so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.